Okay, YouTube. Haven't done one of these in a while, but so this is a bracket. Used to hold up this part of my lawnmower deck, and then those welds snapped. That one's going strong, but this one broke off. Now should just weld it back on, but I don't have a welder. And there used to be this stuff that I used and I believed in and it worked. It's called J-B Weld. I'm going to do everything exactly to directions and see if this stuff still works or if they changed up the recipe to the point where just to make it cheaper to produce and it's not as good as it once was. I've used this stuff in the past, like probably 15 years ago, and I was very impressed with it. You do have to prep it right. So I used a wire wheel on an angle grinder and got all the paint off and shined it up good, roughed it up. Same with this. We're gonna get it plenty of time to cure. I might even put a heat gun on it tomorrow just to make sure that the mixture is fully cured before putting it back on the mower. While I had it off, I put on a mulching kit and stuff too, and I'm gonna put a new belt on it. But yeah, so let's see J-B Weld. Let's just see if you're still as good as you once were. Alright, got my equal parts. The white stuff is kind of on top of the black. I'm gonna mix it up nice and thorough. Put on a good weld. I mean, if this doesn't work, then I'm just gonna weld it, with real metal. But let's just see. This is a fun little experiment. Alright, so got a good little smear of a bead on there. Mixed it all up. Yeah, like I said, if it breaks, I'll just grind all that off with a wire wheel and weld it for real. But just a little experiment. This stuff's supposed to take 3 to 4 hours to set up, 15 hours to cure. It's a pretty nice day, nice and sunny out here. I'm just gonna let it sit here in the bed of my truck. I'm not gonna touch it until tomorrow. Hopefully this stuff will be rock hard. You got to mix it thoroughly. Also, word to the wise, do not get this on anything that you don't want it to just always be there, because once this shit hardens and cures, it'll never come off clothes, and you got to use like a wire wheel on an angle grinder, which is what I polished up the paint with. I just used this. So prepping the area is important, so that the stuff has something to grab onto. And then, yeah, next couple days, I'm going to blow these leaves off the lawn and fire it up. Throw a new belt on it. See if it holds. It should. It's rated for like 1,500 pounds of pressure once it cures, according to the instructions. So I'll paint it red if it holds good and I'm confident it's there forever. Then I'll just put some red spray paint on it so it doesn't look like a bunch of gray goop. But alright, we'll see.